guys, Andrew here from Seemu and I'm going to discuss the best Mac you can buy for app development. So you might have been developing apps on a Windows machine, on a virtual machine running Mac, or you might be wanting to buy a Mac and dive straight into app development. So with this said, you have three options. The first one is the MacBook, which is 11 inches Retina. The second option is the MacBook Air, which comes in 11 and 13 inches with a non-Retina screen. And the final option is the MacBook Pro, which comes in 13 inches and 15 inches, both with a Retina screen. Thankfully, coding isn't too resource intensive, so any of these options work fine just for coding. The main factor that comes into play when getting a MacBook is the screen real estate. The bigger screen you have, the a lot easier it is to see what you're doing when you're coding, looking up Stack Overflow for answers, and so on. Me personally, for personal use, I have a MacBook Air, which is 13 inches. It has an i5 with 8 gigs of memory. For work, I have a MacBook Pro that has 16 gigs of memory and comes with an i7. The 15-inch real estate is nice. However, I love how light and portable my 13-inch MacBook is, and I wouldn't trade this one for the world. So that said, it mostly comes down to three factors when deciding what the best MacBook for you is for development. The first one, as discussed, is the screen size. How much screen real estate do you want? The second factor is the cost. The cost for a maxed out MacBook Pro that's quite expensive versus an entry-level MacBook or MacBook Air. The final item to take into consideration is the portability. How often are you on the road? Is your MacBook always going to be sitting at home, or is it going to be on your bag, you're using it on the bus, on the train, on a plane, all over the place? That being said, if you're running other apps such as Photoshop, etc. alongside coding that are resource intensive, you probably want to look at the MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro, just because the MacBook is more for portable use. For coding on it's fine. When you start running Photoshop and other applications alongside it, it can start getting bogged down. So keep that in mind. So like I said, take those three factors into consideration when deciding the best MacBook for you, which is the price, the screen size, and the portability are the top three items you should be looking at.